Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be unboxing and testing the remote control stunt car. The box of this car has a window allowing you to get a better look at the car's shape and color before purchasing. And there are colorful images of the car on the sides of the box. Do you know that the remote control stunt car is a double-side car that can flip and drive on both sides? I am really excited to see how this remote control stunt car works. Let's now see what's inside the box. As we open the box, we're greeted by a stylish green tray that presents the RC car in an organized and professional manner. It gives you a clear view of all the components included in the box. Another great feature of this car is that it comes with a rechargeable battery, so you don't have to keep buying a new battery every time it runs out. This car also comes with a screwdriver, which is a great thing. You can use it to open the battery compartment. The charging time of this rechargeable battery is relatively short, and the battery life is long enough to provide plenty of playtime. This car also comes with a 0.5-meter USB charging cable. As you can see, the remote control of this stunt car is securely packaged using a plastic screw. This car toy has a very sturdy and durable build quality, which means it can withstand a lot of rough play and crashes. This car is a great gift for anyone who loves remote control cars. As you can see, this car also comes with 4 additional wheels that you can easily fit into this car using the screwdriver. Caterpillar track and wheels can interconvert into each other. The remote control features a simple design, with buttons for right, left, forward, and backward movements. The remote control of the stunt car is made from high-quality materials and is designed to be comfortable and easy to use, and the buttons are responsive. This remote control requires 2 AA batteries, which are not included. The remote control stunt car is a very unique and fun toy. Its double-sided design allows it to flip and drive on both sides, making it very exciting to play with. It also has a very sturdy and durable build quality, which means it can withstand a lot of rough play and crashes. This car is really cool looking. I think, by now, we are ready to test this incredible stunt car. We're going to test this car indoors and outdoors. Let's now give it a test drive. Wow! It drives really smoothly on one side. And now, let's flip it over and see how it drives on the other side. Wow, that was cool. Let's give it a spin. Besides testing this car off-road, I have also tested this car on different surfaces like carpet, flat surfaces, and tile floors, and it worked great on all of them. I am very impressed with the car's design, build quality, and performance. I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a fun and exciting remote control car. However, I wish this car comes with an anti-scratch body. I also wanted to show you how this car handles obstacles. It has features that allow it to handle a variety of challenging off-road conditions. It is really durable and can handle bumps and jumps without losing control.